Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see how to make cucumber kimchi, which is a Korean cucumber salad. Cucumber kimchi is very healthy as it is a good source of probiotics or good bacteria that keeps your gut fighting fit. Cucumber kimchi is also rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and besides being healthy, it also tastes good. So friends, let's get started with this quick and easy cucumber kimchi recipe. So here I have taken one large English cucumber which has been cut lengthwise into this shape and size. Next I am going to add around 1 tablespoon of salt. Add more or less salt according to the quantity of your cucumber. Now gently mix them so that the cucumber gets pickled evenly, for which we need to set this aside for half an hour. Next we are going to prepare the kimchi sauce. For that, take a bowl and into it goes 2 tablespoons of gochugaru red chili powder, which is less spicy. If you don't have, you can also add Kashmiri red chili powder. Then goes 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. Next goes 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. If you don't like fish sauce, you can skip it. Then goes 1 teaspoon of brown sugar to balance the taste. Half teaspoon of dark soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Then I am going to add 2 large garlic pods which has been finely chopped. This will enhance the flavor of our kimchi sauce. Then goes 1 teaspoon of white sesame seeds. And finally a pinch of salt for seasoning. And now we need to mix all the ingredients really well so that they are well combined. And our flavorful, sour and spicy kimchi sauce is ready. By now our cucumbers also has been pickled well, and now we need to discard this salty water. Then rinse the cucumber once, otherwise they will be very salty, and then pat them dry. Once the cucumber has been pat dry, we will transfer them to a clean and dry glass bowl. Next I am going to add some carrot strips. This is optional though. This should be enough. Then goes some white part of the spring onions, as well as the green part of spring onions cut lengthwise. And now time to add over here our prepared kimchi sauce. And we need to mix and toss this well so that the kimchi sauce is coated well over the cucumber, carrot and spring onions. Alright, mixing is done, and now we need to keep it at room temperature for about 12 to 18 hours. Thereafter we will refrigerate it and then serve them once chilled. And my cucumber kimchi is now ready to be served chilled. They look so colorful and yummy. So friends, you can enjoy this either as a salad or as a side dish, which is sure to satisfy your taste buds. I'll drizzle some sauce on top. And finally garnish with some spring onions and white sesame seeds. Here it goes. And now time to enjoy this. So friends, I hope you will try this healthy and yummy cucumber kimchi salad recipe during the summers. Also share your feedbacks, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.